ha me kotamale kakra na mawura ha kakra na mawura ha kakra za bibia kwa kama
de bibia you okay obi odi ne birthday bia ya we shino
happy birthday
sanete na Osman Bukari is also making waves our Champions League name ayana enye easy say a Ghanaian be making a debut this big competition na Europe ekukudam ni ina Asia no mobo then obetimi aye de all no or match 3 goals in the competition. And interestingly, all 3 goals no match no. Osman Bukari who born wom washemienu wa assist back Enra and your offsider he would have perhaps and Kobenya bear 3 goal involvement and then Obeshe 2 goals in the game of mobile against Young Boys. It's unfortunate. So many men didn't kunim there. But the involvement and then the influence, ama when ya impact bia, they have 1 point. And 1 point no munya no. Obetimi aka I say Osman is mostly responsible. Say baby sa atimi bomo. He's 1 game away from equaling record that Mohamed Kudus here. And that was scoring in 3 successive Champions League games for a Ghanaian. Kudus share in successive games. So share was Scotland or share against Liverpool Anfield and also share what I asked for Mankasa Fie. Now for Osman Bukari, washe were TR against Manchester City and was also share with Fie Belgrade. That is against Young Boys. So to me, yes, and then in 2 Champions League games, one had 2 goals. The top scorer for a Ghanaian, the Champions League, Michael Essien with 11 goals. So it means that with 2 games, we're reducing the gap between Ononi Essien and CCI 9. If Otimi to also say he would need fewer games to match Essien record. Obetimi and own to me. I am running Krabi and better, but so far there. So fantastic for Osman Bukari and SF Fatasi Ebon Abaso. Champions League games Abaso and I think the surprise one will be Abekano Newcastle Paris Saint-Germain.
Yes.
But if you followed Newcastle for a while, any times pass, Champions League games are not mobile, especially with St. James Park. They always give us moments like the end I witness saying. Checking Newcastle in Barcelona. So they are known for giving us such games when they play at home because mobile with their heart and they play with their spirit. And then the maybe the Faustino Asprella na e boni din de bia Faustino Asprella ni na say he scored a fantastic hat-trick against Barca.
Yes.
So Newcastle are known for that. On the Champions League maybe that, but they give us memories. Worthwhile. And you always reflect on such games. Now I heard the obey, but it also embodies the current state of Paris Saint-Germain. They are in a very sorry state, and it looks like the project are confused. Project now confusion no about remain saying. PSG don't know the direction they are headed towards. Until almost every year they chop and change. This year particularly, they have changed their entire setup, technical team, playing body. There has been so many changes. Until they are see a PSG team no praying Emma. Maybe January 2024 they might have played together for a while and you behu cohesion. And it's understanding and say now they will play more as a setup, as a unit, as a team. You behu side and by praying there. Yeah, who PSG so omo ye a group stage of a Champions League, in some 2-3 seasons, and it will be very difficult for us to witness something like that in Tisanet here. But we had good games and also a Buama and Yoma etime konkain. Now, so good games nana air twice in Europe and there. In Europe, Yababo Europa League near ball the Conference League. But one game, for family reasons, and then the beautiful story behind it, in the Europa League. Europa League Liverpool airball against USG Royal Union Saint-Gilloise. Now Liverpool game or more bono and a normal game Anfield. But there is a beautiful story that depicts a family tradition. I was saying there's yedanedi and so they trade here for and it's a McAllister derby. Alexis McAllister, Kevin McAllister, Barbeshia. This is the youngest of the McAllister brothers. And this is the family. Omo papa nankasa bobo ni bi your friend Carlos McAllister, and they are a politician and a national deputy ewo Argentina, omo National Congress. Yeni your friend House of Parliament and our Parliament House. Omo mo yeni a bicameral. Meka bicameral omo the upper chamber and the lower chamber. And the deputies omo no more the lower chamber and the senators were the upper chamber. Senators no be 72 and the deputies no be 257. Omo no mo kabom and make it the National Congress of Argentina, and they are responsible for most of the key decisions far or minor. Carlos McAllister or Kahubi. So he has transitioned from a footballer to become a politician. See, or you'll be a prominent to Argentina mining. In times past, no the secretary for sport Argentina acronym. So you'll be a totona sekra. But how did he get here? Obobono for Boca Juniors, Obodema Argentinos Juniors, Ni Nano, a Boca Juniors, or ni Diego Armando Maradona, and the so he was friends with Maradona. Interestingly, the money in any. This is Francis, this is Kevin, where Alexis McAllister, and Omoni Diego Maradona, a picture no. The boys grew up to be men, and they took after their father. Almost about the year footballers. Francis is a midfielder, Kevin a defender, and this is another midfielder in Alexis McAllister. When they grew up to be men, almost so far, ne papa ne partner so by playing for Argentinos Juniors. In Tomobo Argentinos Juniors ono ana ende ya omo didimu a obia etu ampansama omo pursue omo individual careers, but the brightest footballer amongst them Alexis McAllister also and the
Argentina be the Pele.
Exactly.
Okay. Argentina be the Pele.
Yeah, fine. So one more no and the Pele. But storyline
also
exactly. Okay. And also the man they wait me about Argentina national team now Alexis.
Wow.
And any abedi there no so yeah kakra but they have certain similarities. That was our story in him. Alexis I dey ne papa to me anye. And our bro ni nuanu ni na so but they knew this at a very young age. Tawo musu sa say ni na no one say Alexis ni nimbo obo pa. Because technically he had it but individually so ball no kita no a enuanu mienu no mo ye mpanimfo say no they attested say he's a brilliant footballer amongst them. Intenya wa so ma bobo na kodru animu a ewe ni na ate ebusuan ni mpa but they are from a very rich family tradition. Omunchi no ebi free Ireland, ebi free Scotland, ebi free Italy. And Argentina and so count.
No, Dino. I thought I'm really Diam. Is it Din we Argentina?
So McAllister is a 5 name. 5 no Scotland. So Edim McAllister no Scottish.
Yes.
Good. Now from Scotland and Omoko Ireland. Now in the 1830s, Edibesi better than 1930s, there was a huge emigration of Irish people from Ireland hono to Argentina. And it's a Ghana for Echo Nigeria bebre ayebenya agege no. Something like that happened. In Toko Argentina, they have a huge representation of an Irish community where move free tradition name.
Oh, okay.
Good. Argentina never in the whole world our top 5 in terms of Irish population. Argentina ranking amongst them. And then in the whole South America, Argentina never the highest population of Irish descendants.
Wow.
Good. Now no was separated the free Ireland or make Italy subion. Italians or more Brazil
Sompa
and the doors the next Argentina.
Wow.
And Italy for no so to quite call. That was a time where Europe was scampering for most of these colonies across the world. And to not omutu kind of call no marco say omusu betmenya a better living for themselves. And oko sana and your respect to your regard because you say we a brony be a to kind yaba into a class be a Italy maybe an our low class. But to kind sana no a big boy into a pejao class no and was responsible for some of them moving from where they were at the core. Now, Ninchina free Italy ne say Alexis McAllister ne mame ne nanaba e free Italy.
Oh, okay.
Good. Ana ne papa no ono so ninchi e free Ireland. Enti ono no obetimi aba ma Italy national team. Obetimi aba ma Argentina, obetimi aba ma Ireland, and then obetimi aba ma Scotland.
A Scotland no bam saying.
Say 5 baby owo free ne di McAllister nanga say Scotland din.
Wow.
And yeah Irish din. And they come from a very rich family tradition. And on master establish your mo ha the simple and short of it is that now the brothers play together in a team, but Nyankopon ya adoma and they will play against each other for 2 teams. The UEFA Europa League. Liverpool put up a splendid content Alexis McAllister ne nua Kevin omudi nkomo prior to the game ana Kevin ne ka de ono be Alexis McAllister ana Alexis so ka de ono so be Kevin no ana Alexis ka chen say onye onya ya nko be so fa abro wo mienu ba be hia, and that is the embodiment of a true family tradition carried on in football abra and the Europa League, Liverpool ebo Union Saint-Gilloise. And then the last one ebeye in the FIFA World Cup enra FIFA omo council no omo ye omo congress kese ekoso virtual enti enya de ori aketo keku ni any representative omo tu kwan koi omo ye no va omo video conferencing na komodidiem no na omo take decision say nyankopon ya adomo a Morocco, Portugal and Spain omo ye the so bid for the 2030 FIFA World Cup enti de ombe no and they say they will put things together. Now Oma hosting World Cup no for the first time. Now they they want to make it something unique. Send a beya ebeboa amanyoma elswe timia konkai and so ede amomo. Now say Portugal, Spain, and Morocco bekabo mua. Ni ebisa say omo ye countries ben sa omo ben ho intenya problem. This is Portugal, Spain ni Morocco ni. So travel will not be a problem. Facilities they have it. But the FIFA Council took a decision to make their bid a sole bid. There is a reason behind this, a rotational policy. Rotational policy, so it also has a political meaning to it, and has some political undertones to it. But Morocco eba be hostibi, and it will be the first timer Omonya Kunyana Obutimi hosti such a global showpiece. Omoya normally to just say 2030 no near 100 years. 100 years they started the World Cup. The World Cup started in 1930. And from 1930 to 2030, the 100 years anniversary, it was almost pay homage to 3 South American countries. Bakuye, Uruguay, Argentina, and Paraguay. Now, Uruguay because Omunomo hosted the first ever FIFA World Cup. Then Argentina because Omuni Uruguay and about the final game. Paraguay because a common ball, Omo headquarters, situated in Paraguay. And as at the time I talk about the first FIFA World Cup, now a common ball on a more a recognized association and our federation into the show more anymore. Now, why did FIFA do this? We are not say 2034 FIFA World Cup you're limiting it to just the Asian continent and then Oceania confederation they will need a bit from there. Se FIFA the Argentina and Paraguay moba we common ball a free rotational policy nim. Se Europe was Spain and Portugal we you almost free. Morocco ba Africa free. North America and Central America also hosted 2026. Yes. It limits it to then just Asia. Asia honey aye Qatar. Japan and Korea aye bida. Now it emboldens the bid from Saudi Arabia. Before that, Saudi Arabia draw mobile for 2030. Now, immediately after the announcement from FIFA, Saudi Arabia too just said they will bid for the 2034 FIFA World Cup. World Cup na so be there. So person ye hosta. Before so be ba out. So be two no. No aye background the human in area.
And only you be.
They also only din komo be to abama. They also on the castle or Bejuatum no design common in area. Yes. So how sudden or how soon Saudi Arabia announcement immediately after FIFA decision means that it is in command and run almost started. They are done. Saudi Arabia will host the 2034 World Cup. And the back end is when they say Saudi Arabia be carry and Asia. They say Bianca CAF, your president, Patrice Motsepe Omo president here, Sheikh Salman. Sheikh Salman free Bahrain. We are yes, Asia for bet me abede. Baku penaba. There are so many Asian countries. A bet me aba say Iran beba. A bet me aba say Japan beba. Or say Asia Football Confederation no. Omo nyina omo Saudi Arabia chi.
Uzende was a saneko.
O say
Sompa.
Adentia.
Uzeza akomu apostle.
Meba. Ye ina ni ofie. Na ye
Como is somebody didn't come over.
The point is that Michael, baby, I didn't do see what happens that like okay, HH Musa, you didn't come with you. And first of all, before the withdrawal the bid by Saudi Arabia na come on every and nothing as Saudi Arabia withdraw bid because ya tiase and to nim ne be na say ye ma we ma host na e obi efiri na kwana be da amamo santia no ansana we withdraw and to withdraw based on the intention they promise will say
24
no Infantino you obi efiri Ojeni and the two be any ni nyina be call and now then don't forget that Salman is also a friend to Mohammed bin Salman, or a friend the Asian bloc of Dandan for no. For whatever reason, ironically, almost the same name anyway, but they are friends. And of course, before Asian Sports, who are 46 votes, before Bekasa, the president Bekasano, he's spoken to Prince.
Yeah.
I didn't come with BAV. And now almost Sunday, all the member association,
majority.
Okay, I said, that my Infantino bag Rwanda.
Yeah.
Africa
for
go to Obama.
Yeah, so to be.
But it's because so your brother no wa Europe naba. Now your brother me catch us say ye nyina se be to Obama. Ye didn't commodity be sanity. It's a policy food.
So for the AFC president to come out and overwhelmingly or making it clear say Asia for ni na no almost support Saudi Arabia bid. Now look at carry story we say countries no be unity baako omo show omo support. It is because now the stance no ma taking no. If you decide to be a non-conformist, media men can who be a you be alienate you. Ne abo ato say wo ana opese okutia the Asia for benya. So Saudi Arabia will get massive support from Asia. And on Nanchain, they will get support also from South America. Lionel Messi is an ambassador. Europe, Omenya Ronaldo dada. Africa the Omeri na.
Baurefi, as we speak today, Omuni our 5-year contract CAF.
MOU.
What is Mochepe Angasa no go sign?
5 years.
Yes. In Africa there, Omuni 80, only 54 plus 46.
Oh, master, baby.
Say 100. Onya noa, when you the bid, but now the bid say the FIFA Council will encourage countries a single bid. Where countries no more support Asia for no more support no. And Africa for you now so far. Into bed.
Sudan for.
Qatar, UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Maldives, Palestine, Mauritania, Yemen, Kyrgyzstan, Kenya, Jordan. They'll get overwhelming support. Omenya vote cry no do no. Omenya be 100.
We are no more catch Australia for some day any man bofa.
Exactly. And they also have everything. What it takes. FIFA will use 2030 guidelines no. And one on measure so omode beji atum say oh if you qualify to be a host and I won't qualify to be a host. Now what does the guideline say? Obia this is what it speaks to, and clearly Abu document we me come no. The conclusion I made was Oma Ghana 70 years I work up here to be host.
You go on document you brana be mame na menye yi kakra na apostle. Why? Ochina ba na wa ba be mame na ye ya. Gramona we no update ben bi na ba. Mo me hu e. Ezi aden na omo check e. E man ne de na ko say mo ma me update no ti mo ma me hu.
There will be one person on the call.
Yeah.
Now, in situations like this, acclamation. You can't acclamation, a voter, Nipane call unopposed. But for formal procedure, no, I was here a court to abano, no be who say, I am pa ya tuaba and ye in so encore. So, gifty or mensa air call on the ticket of the women's clubs, no, on the executive council. But omobe acclamation, no mark to about the man and say yes, no. And I say, yeah, take a neutral stance. So come what may, I won't be confirm a gift of our mensa as an ESCO member. No, so I can ESCO no or be replacing Madam Habibata. So that is what will happen. I will manage the similar to Orake to Kreku.
Onya 20 nina.
So simply and one
20 nina come.
Enya dia bibia.
Martin to the boa mesa bana yasen rom ne din come na mo maka say chocolate laws you semenka fa chose ne djuma di omudi no ya de djuma dia emu de papa o business bi mo na wo ye rom China bo mo de kokoko fa nema e de ba ene chocolate laws you semenka fa chose simple o tena Ghana amumu na o de oda nema no e fi China baba bi rom ti nema no e bi zone da creation phone accessories packages, clothes, hair, and jewelry. Out one and half diapers no and items out there bad you be use betono o akunya se no chocolate luxury for bomodin ye do anim na aboama na makweda ma order acha no nanu no maduram na otwinsia no na baba bedu na no so mo fa akwanya we so aye workshop e de amanko for atro mo kion befa so mbedi no enti ebe koso okumase a 27th and 28th October eni be rawa no pa no 10 o'clock am na akwa 2 pm na aboama na ma deda di impede ama enti also nya o take it no o de be ko take it no nkomo no say net ye utwa fa ne Ghana cedi a de obenum de obedi no ye de be ma sada no na de afantiti nim after no ya man certificate a eno so ba o modena wetimi e de awura na ma kweda man ti register na you take it no na ni no oni choke allows you for no ending common na yemwa na hu kwan abefa so a odi momo no be oda ne ma refi China faramba yi komo bia na ntine ma se yemwa 053 5017 821 053 5017 821 050 89312300 050 89312300 nyambwa na ebibia ande da yeso no entimi emfa emma na ne no makase mattresses no de ebadwama so no ba ko a ye da so a ye Philippa no enso eye Royal Foam mattress no na ne Royal Foam Ghana Limited semen kancho so mo mattress no onjo de wo so ma na aboto na ko ekokoje Sunday day machie me ha ye selini ne be na ya bomodin ye yere fio na ma ne ma de dimpa etimi era ma de man komo ne denise otom product ni bi ebo modern e pillar yere chokwa sunye pa beda so afa adwempa de ababro pa na ne ma da yeso etimi ede ama omunjuma panti ye bomodi assistant Ashanti Business Excellence Award ye organize the 20th anniversary mo tun for or say to the second open so no ye mom gold award enye no 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no ye sam mo award e cheso mo bujuma omo abomodi omo di new ultra modern showroom ababe room mo factory premises so asokore mamponu ana ko CCC teme pa choko na kokore ni so ade na gene me bebo Royal Phone Rest Assured for number no na tonka ne mbro bi 0202 271,000 0202 271,000 abozo ye rom kakra
sir last na won say your friend say near na Michael Ekano SLT say adwuma bia ne dwumade bia woni kasa e o kasa bebre e wa dwuma bia ne kasa and Saudi Arabia omo adwuma pa adwuma no say e kire komodie ni pa se fata ni pa huhia anamo SL2 omo ni omo press the right buttons at the right time and he on say FIFA president come tintim nyina on so o kasa do sresere abu mi so millions of dollars on Sompa Sports o kasa obefu o dey say
about those millions of
dollars
that I mean they create millions
Abu say $100,000 account
apostle the back actually cry
okay there 10,000
that can
$10,000
a little crack I came very blue
$10,000
10 times the apostle say yeah you kaka 10 times them yeah had a meet when we are but from there
50,000
50 60 70 80 is all I make kako
okay
Ken another bar me abe blue oh me abe bread somebody can catch you
okay you bomba
so oh ni fa
say nyame nim ni nyina
nyame sabi kura na okoyi kakra dollars kakra no kura na me hu action kakra
$100
okoyi am say $4,000
okay
no problem me hu ni small kakra
oh they be nyesa o na me do ko bebi apeso ko bi ababos de me kan ya me hu za chire ma nya de se because bi chi luta ne ba se ne ma nya de masiri ya me bona
unim na unka
me bibi na be na ma me kasa ba se bo me ka cho mo se ti se wi na aba no se ba dodo a e bia wetima abo mo ba me nya za me nya bi ma ni ntwi me ka ma me e bi nyo bi asuma ne kita bag ne ma me se no ma nya
no han tan kasa
ba kasa yi to bo fa che ti ba po bo cho
unim na oka
ba po bo cho
almost fan che
what dey ache me
now so having said about Saudi Arabia, so 30-34 no clearly Saudi Arabia will say next World Cup
Sompa Sports
after US, any Spain, Morocco, Portugal win the Saudi Arabia. Now, Michelle, we be see on Monday. To see I know I cut 2 because the CAF champion this year. I'm on Junior Ali, Sound Downs and WAC out of the 3. Esperance me only the reason why they don't have what it takes here in transition. Now, Mamelodi Sundowns are looking as say also last year champions Nipa club ultimate share Ali
Sompa Sports
5-2 or South Africa Sundowns about 2-2. Oh, Sundowns they're the only team. Ali sorry said they have a way since pitch to time. Okay, pitch to 5 no go share. Yeah. So on my boogie side of Ali when it comes to the group stages, Ali who are masters of the major stage. Do quarter finals called Ali masters. Group stage sometimes munyano famous so yeah they'll get to the top. Now Sundowns on say 2016 almost shares Zamalek by 3-1 and I'm winning. Share from that time now. Sundowns has not been able to get to the finals, which is not good. Pito Diomo called semi-finals 2019. Okay. Since then, Pito called 2020. Pito called Ali. I got 2 trophies. I got 3 finals. I did 2 trophies. Now after that, quarter final last year, and I Ruleni Mukwen say like I said, the winning by 2-2. Omo boy against WAC of Morocco. Game okay after the game no. Now and winner, but I won the game. WAC versus Sundowns 2-2. Uti say Peter Bekan say omo ntimia manage game no ye. Na CAF Champions League bono enye fine football. Na mom ese mre bia no ohu ni o. Once na say Pep Guardiola Manchester winning 1-0.
Yes.
Or Bonte winning 1-0. First na obiem sa. So they should learn to do. Ruleni Mukwen assistant of Pito and they are promoting. Now this year or do semi-final last year no already 2 on bet year 2-1 2-2. He lost the qualification to the final. South Africa after 0-0 Morocco. So what it means to say this year no. Niomo here said they've only lost 1 player. Kaishos Mailula, one player.
Yeah.
Or Toronto FC. Now, if you see the fact that they've lost him,
Sompa
now Lucas Rivero, Brazil amuko turn free Belgium Beverino.
Yeah.
Or buy almost every game or share. Now, who are Tembas Zwane? So now Afron, you have Tembas Zwane, Captain Peter Shalule, and then Lucas Rivero. It means that this time Sundowns are stronger than last year Sundowns. Because Ribeiro now he's more sharper and clinical. Statistically, Washego is even the top striker of the team, Peter Shalule, this season. So Sundowns call these champions almost a better strengthened. Sundowns Tebo Bokwena, he is the main defensive midfielder. So niwa Sifele Mukulise Bebo. Now only Sifo Mbule ni Mesalo Allende and a pair the trio. So you realize that now Omakoto Batusi Okas Abekam, he's a brilliant winger and a very good central midfielder. Lesiba Inku, Omakoto Abekam this team. What it means, Argentina Junior Mendieta, Stellenbosch.
Yes.
What it means that midfielder Hono, Omasan Shemuke Nachen Yohodo. So they are a stronger team going. The only place Oman top player at back. The reason why they don't need a player at the back is that they have it in abundance. Butelo Abdumunem Rajab center back now or left side or Sambo left back no. He center back ono Rushen Duruk, Rivaldo Kweze, Motobo Invala, Brian Mandela, Musa Lebusa 6 center back 6. Then you have Kulisi Muda right back, Tapelo Moreno and Aubrey Modiba left. So that back almost problem baby almost problem no and Nim Hoka because Peter Prana saying now they've been able to do that. So if you look at Sundowns last year and Sundowns this year, Sundowns here betterly equipped as a team, or more improving personnel than last year. So they are a team that could worry Ali again. And a team that could get to the final again. Now we move to WAC of Morocco because of time. With that athletic club, 2017, Omo winning CAF Championship Ali. 2018 quarterfinals. 2019 so Kayomu losing finals, no controversially to Esperance. Now, from that time to now, Oma winning 2 CAF 2017, 2021, against Ali. Oma losing 2 finals. Oma losing 2023 against Ali, and then 2019 against Esperance. What it means is that over the last 7 years, Oma West a semi-final performance. That without Athletic.
Yes.
So without Athletic, get teamer, Oma was strong team, but now Oma a better upgrade than the team that went to the finals and lost. So what is happening now is that Omo Hamid Ahadad, Oma Maoko, Omo Pam players, and players in the Echo. Omo Pam players.
Omo Pam players.
Hamid Ahadad, Echo. Jalal Daudi, defensive midfielder. On cover for Jabari. Echo. Reda Jadi, called Mwade Lafi, left winger, or a Libyan, or goalkeeper Reda Tagnuti, or Amel Hassouni, attacking midfielder, or now guess what? Now, okay, goalkeeper yourself El Moti. Okay, say El Moti, and I ever replace Reda Tama Reda Pry. Now they have Yaya Tiat, Ayub Amulud, Asen Zola, centre back. Amin Abdul Faf, centre back. Amin Fahani, centre back. Guess what I'm there about? Jamal Hakas, or the best centre back for Raja Casablanca, they brought him. Now, Mitchell said upgrade on the players, but he is a better upgrade on the 3 centre back there. Omakofan for Raja Abba. Check what? Omakofa Montasa Latimi, or a winger for Trabzonspor. Okay, the last time Omakofa Didier Lekezel. Free KV Kotvik. Yeah. Oh, Belgium. Didn't come back. They are good at that. Omakofa Montasa from Sompa left winger. Every Trabzonspor. Okay, Zakaria Draoui. Zakaria Draoui. Okay, channel. On only Milu Rebia and a Hosem Brezigui and a ball for Algerian Chan team. Or a CR Belouizdad consistently Champions League of the years about Belouizdad. He's a top DM. Omako Tonaba from CR Belouizdad. Now Hamza Rigagri, Ubekaya, RS Bekani, number 6, consistently for the 5 years. He was a key instrument in leading them in winning the Confederation Cup. Omako Hamza Rigagri Abba. Now, and so on say Shakri El Bahri, a top striker for RS Bekani. In fact, when they won the Confederation Cup, he was the leading marksman for them. Omar Kofanaba, Omar Ra Esperance, Esperance left winger Aka, Hamdou El Houni, Libyan, no? They brought Hamdou El Houni to Wak of Morocco team. Now, Osha, the current Wak of Morocco team, what it means is that, compared to last year, now, way more Now, the reason why they are going to be a key team again is because more consistency and adding more quality to the WAC team than the WAC team that went to the final loss to Ali. So even Ali must be a bit scared of WAC and Mamelodi Sundowns. TP Mazembe and unim Mondibo about their 5 times. In fact, 2015 they won the Cup against USM Morges. Until 2016-2017, G Confederation Cup against Emo Baja 2016, Super Sport 2017. So a big side, but last 2 years 2020 group state. But they have the coach who have helped them win 2010. Lamine India is back. After winning a call, he's now back. He won a 2010. That's Lamine India on the screen. He won a 2010 against Osher Esperance 6-1. Sompa Sports. He's back into the team. Yes, Osha, need the established Rainfall Calabar, Nathan Sikala squad. Odias here. They don't have that squad again. But he's building a young squad. Me more this year say but they can be able to get to maybe the quarterfinals or even the semi-final because of him. Now, Ceciano, he has a young team all body. Uyi goalkeeper Omo experience a team no ever Kevin Modenko, because that's Kevin Modenko only Salif Koulibaly were playing before. He's right back and right center back. Now, as we speak now, Onunkwane the only experienced player left in the team. So it means that Omo in transition. Side Baju is no a good goalkeeper for Monkoro no a number 2. Now he's the number 1 for the team. Now they've gone to bring Ibrahim Keita from Mauritania, or a centre back, left side centre back. Now Mungero Muntambe, young centre back, 22-year-old. Clearly a choice Adrian Odiba or building a young team for them. Now what it means is that Glodili Konza, who is a very good central midfielder in the TP Mazembe setup as we speak now. Then you also have a situation whereby Ngalumume Boas is also a young striker. Marcel Ngimbi, young striker. Sheikh Fofana. And he Meka said TP Mazembe and me and your force rocking with. But the point is that Niebesene say Omo has started a project B and Lamine India is behind the project. So at least a quarter final will not be a bad place for them. I don't think that they have what it takes to win the cup this year. But some maintaining Lamine India over a period of time. Now the consistent team he has now, now of making sure say over a period of time the team is performing well, unlike some 3 years ago the team is struggling to qualify. I believe that they'll be able to do a good job. So for me, this year the Omo Beji and I make Omo Beji means Ali, Wak, Sundowns. These three. Omona Omo Beji this year Champion League. Baku Betibiaji.
Anti Apostle, Mera Sipa, Manyan and Tears or Quais, Cono Premier and Atoye. Ma results na Bantinya, Nipa Numna, Kona Quakraba, say Kakraba, by Yense say baby.
Yeah, minim because I don't.
Yes, say baby. That's the way I eat a fear. I say, yeah, the dumb cram, my could see a Kakra. Ti etoma meko na makwa sere ne ma na isiete ti enche mesen akona makwa din komo na mo ne ma de dan 52 construction limited maka zanne owramu ewo amanone nko a na wakwa ye ya na aboa na se na isiete randia be nya 12 ferechinya 11 nana odru safunya 10 na ko James Akwisiapia enso inya 10 na lawyer Mandy inya 9 ti per result na yenya na yesa na ti omona ya bomodi enu aka sunya 8 na luda result no bobo other ones na mamre
said na wo kana wo hwa so far the ten said Dr. Randiabi enya 12 Fedechi enya 11 Odo Safunya 10 Kwesiapia enya 10 Kingsley Osebonsu enya 9 ena Eloy Amandi nya 9 Edmond Akanya 8 Raphael Jamina enya 7 Dr. K Obin enya 7 ena Onyina Asensu nya 7
bozo na 9 no so mess
sports so mo tide mesantu papa this no to so the one na qualify as you speak now
amoma qualify
so amoma qualify
Randy Fedachi Odru Safo ko James Akwisiapia ba Eroy Amendi ene ayidie no one ayi
Kingsley Osebonsu
is almost out
okay
and he's almost out but I'm not surprised at the results.
Onye surprise. Martin meba na yadi nkomo na amom sera America 52 construction limited ni o amanone na ope fie nko a ena afia asase afa na ne omo ni nkomo ebe na ya boa na o so ba mu kama pretty mera mo zo omo no o to plot no fu na half plot omo de 8 obo na so ede ma na ya ma cement bag 20 seje na fasha se na ne man ko ye pen fama ni se ma esan wuma esan boa mom nkomo na dida ye pa na se restaurant no utimi ko ohu asase na utwia 50% ade aka no ya ma amre no watwa ne kakakra na ne ma dida ye so etimi ade ama na afi no so krechi no zenne no fie ne na e dada peso renovate a 52 construction limited be na ye de udwuma etimi ade ama de edwuma fo ababa bi e pe bibia mo matena mo namba ne fa na ne omon kasa 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 797 0531 525 797 yembwa na ne mandela din so enfama Accra pomo a odo ni chimo Kesema Junction Kempa Chimota Road na omo Komi Plaza ena fi ukuma asi ano odo ni chimo page 4 anto akwan no so omo bu ejuma 52.com oko Facebook Instagram TikTok abibia obo modena ejuma pa no mudi no ne mandela di era manti mameko na mi ni nkomo bafu polo omaso ye ni wrestle ni mezi oban ya kwaba
ya nua
na bibia aboko de
obode na dom
mizi shia ya chepa enne wakika bibia aboma bibia yeset
Sompa sports
minu nya
asembia ni ho
bibia dedam mati madu ye ni nkomo na ye hwe na meze de bomi ni de sharp to ni luta na mike na de show no then de ade de meze bibia ye we ne ba na mu dika ye ya
me sha mo se wo de wa sheda selection but available designer no obia o person ne saka bibia na ne satimi kan
oh okay to when ye pebia ye betima ye we oh we ni bi o
yes
sa
I know it.
Tia pe when e betima nya bi sesi a awa e kama
sure
unu anga se so bo sheda ye ya na wa ya you ono e happy na wife sisi wo fie kasa wa ye ya ka hwe a boy si yo tie was see no fie o carry our boys no muntie o kakra mo ni asai bodu asema muntie de mi ka wa ye de yo ye me na me tie atutimi nka bi mo de na me ka oba ye kwasi wadu.
All right, champion Abudia bi Nyame manager Sompa manager obo adwuma wa so Nyame Sompa adwuma efo nyina Nyame Sompa tiefo afen so no ye srenchira so de ama Bafopolo customers nyina.
Yes,
so muni ho a yenso ye ni ho te said ye wokan ya wo so hu mi ache na Sompa da Roma outside ne mo run ne ade and ama me could di other regions and any boutiques any other wholesalers edin komo because for the first time I be a boutique bia no be pese on be di juma no I'll have to come sit with you na ye din komo ye din kita ho ba ko mi no and send a free or no say ye delivery at the amount na nkoye say ayi biem enti na me ni ha ni nyina na say previous weeks na me ntimi ma ni nyina na ye sa adwuma we na me di so be kai me kan say boutiques wholesalers omo kejiti ane ade obi ambo abo Sompa Sports say wa opese one Bafopolo din komo no ana woni edi nkita ho ana say woni edi dwuma no ofa number no na ofra na say ya bana ye no abedi komo na wahu sede yen hyehyɛ no ene enoma no bibia esitie enti eno ho dwuma na medi nenne no meka de ato Ghana for assume say obi biara oto atare boutique na obekɔ boutique obekɔ favorite boutique na say Bafopolo eni ho no bomodin na ka kyerɛ boutique manager no ana say de ho no ka kyerɛ ne say oya ma ne enoma na twem onye word na onfa Bafopolo numbers ne bi so oni a wo fa number we na kyerɛ to ho no na fa ma no sɛ onfrɛ Bafopolo na onji bi mfa hyehyɛ ne shelves nim onji bi mfa hyehyɛ ne ho na Bafopolo bright colors no and brighten ne boutique ho na ho nye kama man apart from that Bafopolo unse esanso ye very affordable Sompa Sports ye hwe na affordability anye se bi a ye de materials bi a enye papa bi fabrics bi enye papa bi na ye no because say yenkra ye entire ni free baby said ye bi mu de na ye nti no sikatua kese bi a ye tua wo port ne ade ni so enti ema ye de no wo fom afen so eno na nchen yen strategies a ya fa ye de pam entire no eno so boa pam ma Bafopolo cost no e ba fom se de be obi a betimi ayeden atobi na wa hye enti ene no o kofro plane na air hoster no obeyi ni seat no na o hye
Bafopolo no kama
pilot no beyi ni seat no no so
Bafopolo
the ultra business o shebi the ultra economy o shebi and wo tena bus ma driver she Bafopolo no ahye omo vest aguso the okofro she Bafopolo and baby biara obewura tokro bia obewura mbia
Bafopolo Sompa Sports
Bafopolo and then yes Bafopolo ye the new normal ye ne ye ade a na nipa bi susu se omo ye a enye ye ne ye the pride of Ghana ye the pride of Ashanti ba clothing mu a na menam Bafopolo empesua so social media na so na me chance on a video bi a obi de ato baby no see in the western world no omo ma blacks na Africans no ye deviate every said ye tie ho the kingship the queenship the gods and goddesses the royalties ye omo twi every sanema no the nyoma bi rewura ya ekọ ye can say ekọ entire shim ekọ clothing mu ma twi every sanema ho but enne no meka say we bibini na opese we prove o royalship and I say we prove o kingship and our queenship
Sompa Sports
because say obi sanema ya maboboso ya you see you have to blend with nature and ye share quiet say the city how green it is we betimi ahu some flowers yellow red all sort of colors na ye can say yen say yensuo color how colorful it is no we benya ni nyina bi e wo Bafopolo yen fabrics nim na wa hye na say won so wa dance mo ba bia we bewura bia nenne unam kromo a we behu say atari a ekọ polo we ekọ die eye Bafopolo ena ekọ ana say v-neck ana round neck top ya nipa hye die eye Bafopolo ne hye nipa ya ɔde kɔi wobɛhwɛ no na ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ adwuma kɛseɛ bi mu na wobɛbisa akyire no na ɛsɛ saa adwuma no ɛne bafo polo adi nsaso a ɔmo Friday wear ɛyɛ bafo polo ɛna ɔmo hyɛ a ne nyinaa no aseda kɛseɛ nkɔma Sompa Sports ɛne no mo boa ama bafo polo ɛduru akyiri paa yie na no nipa bebree na endorse bafo polo sɛ bafo polo entare no nyɛ ntare pa anaasɛ ɛnyɛ quality a enkasa mpanyimfo yɛ endorse. You see, an ambassador of Ghana to the United States of America, wow, Hajia Alima, wa endorse ade we ya kyese ohu ye ntare nani agye hu yi so ho ɔkyea me kwame ɔno de ofiti ni yen ye yi kra nyenne ɔkyea me kwame wobɛpɛ sɛ ɔbɛkyɛ no bafo polo atare kra ɔpɛ sɛ otuaka because ɔsɛ dabi atare no ɛyɛ quality ɛnyɛ no nko champion abudiavi wa ankasa so waje ato
ma bomb de atia
apostle te he
wa de atia
Sompa managers ɛna me nyesi ha no ma na ɛsɛ obiara ni agye na opese ode ne bafo polo ekyere me na ese aye ade a efe enti ene no bafo polo ye African print polo shirts, ye African print golf shirts, ye African print round neck shirts, and afin so African print v-neck shirts. Se ne ope bafo polo ekyira kwan a ye wo ahene makokobin santase enyinem kwan so ye numbers no 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 afi de tosumienu 0599 899 919 mesama sisubiem 0599 899 919 enti no se o peba fo polo ni bia fa number si ne frɛ oye business oye corporate organization obi sade woti bia ba biara dwumadie ni sade tie bia no ye betimi no adi dwumadie amana ye afen so individuals couples are mo person pre-wedding photo shoots ubedi birthday ubedi wawoda o person oye photo shoot bi try ba fo polo na hwɛ ade the number of likes ni ade a obenya and my main reminder omo a omo to bafo polo hye customers send we bia o social media wani gise obenya more likes one wo de onya post your picture na wo hye bafo polo na #bafo polo on all social media you will Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and then TikTok and then so you build YouTube kese pa e de aka ho enti onya hashtag ya you see omo wo bafo polo line so nyina hashtag ni so nyina ba be like ya ma
sa pepepe
onye energy kese enso e wo ho no ene me koso aka ye wholesalers ne se ye wo packages packages ne bo na champion abu unim asere samba ko bi e se and the individuals na de omho awura go packages nim because say yamana ba from to 10 pieces for the bronze and then 15 for silver and 20 for the gold.
Sompa Sports.
Obi ho ye individual no afre o say me pay package ni bi na say or den ho awura promo wi mu a ono so agye ne de na so ono so e de adi ne djuma na one guy be your friend no akwasi bronya o say bantoma sa kwa we take sa advantage we ya na e di promo na to so yentimi nka ho hwe enti won so wo ho na e bi a o pese unya advantage of this promotion enye wholesalers nko a obetimi de ho ahyem na enche sa promo we no ebetwem enam se ye promo we no se ye ne wholesalers no ebetimi adi nsa hoso na obi wo ho a won ton bafo poloda na yempese ebe ye bedding bi na ebi wo no so no nipa bi wo ho no ma onim se so to ntare na ntare ne nkoma no se de ope ene e minim KKDK collections omo wo KGT a osan so branch e wo de chem so odinkan to yen package ye gold package no 20 pieces per odim se ade chin ya wo so de ade ne gu ne circles mu na no request aba no abroso hafe de o request kesiem enne no bafo polo ya shift akọ dru se yen fast track se open any ya on sabeka no request na abaso na no e din a ya shift every ho but bafo polo team no atena se ye den hye pa gu akwam and then ye pam 1000 in a week in just a week in temfa ho ne company our school our the number a wom ana bibisa unya efreye na ye din sa wo so a in a period of 1 week so on kwala no 1000 workers 1,000 you could see say in a week on Sabe Countarian.
Yeah, phone number ni bi enko.
But for polo numbers no 0249
0249
600
600
789
789
0249
0249
600 789
789
Afe 0599
0599
899
899
919
919
0599
0599
899
899
919
919
But for polo the new normal.
Mante, yabase chia na yabomode din command. Me da mo require ba pe. Yabase Ramo Tamale na yakwa kwe ne me koso. Izanzaba no egusu ayeto.
Ajua, the online page for the new business account was in shambles yesterday. Lost the pitch.
Tell me about it.
We started off very confident, and then the office broadband went down. When we set up the hotspot from the phone to reconnect, the data allocation also got finished.
You are joking.
I wish. The meeting room was hot. Kobe quickly tried calling them to give us some more time, but he had no airtime. Total chaos. They also gave us feedback that our website didn't have enough information. How can you run a business this way and hope to grow?
Oh dear.
Your business communication can be way better than this. Vodafone One Business is a complete communications package that gives you broadband with data transfer to mobile phones, mobile package with free calls among employees, landline with free calls and website design plus domain name registration. At Vodafone Business, we understand that strong connections within your business lead to success. Call 050-777-9000 or sign up by sending an email to sme@vodafone.com. Vodafone, further together.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal! It's a goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap In Jackpot. Do it. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Hey, it's your 4 game pack 4 pick one game na ya channel. I said ya bedroom. Choose one by the wakuma so. Every the number 1, equity 36. Chani boom, na share him say, ube disika bocho, wa bra ye number ne pie. Bobo won, na ye ready say, ube di mula, wa bra wucha from 1 Ghana cedi to 350 cedis. Na face kana ube channel. Fabo home play the nusia, metire 26 times. And was up pick one game imu. Chabano, abra wu star 946 hash on all networks. Ana a face ube timia kwenye website. Ana ube timia download the Game Pack app no. Ewo www.gamepackgames.com. Share live draws. Ewo Adum TV. Anopa no nkron. Area dumie no. Ene nyumre no nsia. Debia. Game Pack. More mula. More power. Sagrodi. National Lottery Authority in Sashasi. Enye mo mundi mfie dumwachi. Bono wa sheyem.
Esikafo wo krom. Wo de yi ananansi edidi hu nkomo yi. En wakofa abrofu free abrochira ba besin
Aqua Master, Abrohafo, 52 estate construction, and I said, Dan Kamasano. I can't soon who be out.
52 estate construction firms in Kwanesi Day. Some because of Sompa.
Company and a friend of 52 estate construction.
Oh, I see.
What on Sassy and your diamonds winning, and that was see a dance or tongue or some managing properties.
Naturally, sir, Upedayato, Upasasiato, and as a Upedmukubia, Amnesty modern houses, I'm when you be at
now, Unim, we feel crowd was see etimono. Sir, Nebrachum, now we judge the ma 52 estate construction for.
That is a design in your Fabian.
No, yes, I won't put down in your group, but so Bessia down more than. I'm sure one cancer would do fear. Wow, now 52 estate construction. Our Kisseman, Gimpa Achimata Road, for 0556 72 33 38. And the Kumasanso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media Nyanso, at 52 estates.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be siase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa womu ji international awards ahodo womu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baby a ji 21st clinic nko womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko na mama de ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Alright, ya mama de na yetibia to so echebe se ramo tamale na de koso yako akwa kakra Treaty of Arc Limited Company maka zerne oye hetweka akwa peso rama mano ne koko yejuma egisika bibrai Treaty of Arc Company Limited ne bomode de wako akwa kuram na serete oye nurse doctor lab technician oye midwife akunya na by Canada UK yeroko de ohia bia de be yejuma ne ho aka de nyina no yebrani aboa na on setimi aka obezo sua de eko ewa manonia akunya na base Canada America North South Europe no yebebo wode ne de wako city promo bachelor's degree masters no ana PhD no yedu romenu so echi footballers ne boa eji sport visa etimi ede emamo ene so won sa no juma bi dizo ye carpenter oye tyler oye driver ye cleaner ana simple no oye banker oye teacher akunya na base robe kwa kurama amano na so no wakwa koda we juma na de ompo uninsa no juma Malta Romania Denmark ene amame ahodo na ba nyaba beto wa yeroko akwa kuramu se Canada sitna US UK ana Shingin State no yeroko form na manani omonkasa 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 na 0205 572076 0205 572076 nemwa na ne mandeda di print me fama ne opomu okumase a adwa to masala omo benabre junction anansi po kaso anso no New Market Road no Fidelity Bank first floor no ye boa na say timi account na ma dadi pera mama ka se na UEFA Europa League no UEFA Conference League no mem brada no ngafe enra ye bomo de di omo wo se na so ye sanko na ekukudi eye betu e na wo se ye ko ekukuram na boa ma da ye pa etimi e ma anti www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gd here enese wenye du fie du wotwe na wabomode awura no akwa kotwa ne edi ne kufu na se nete ena ye ya woda no e also okọ na the golden booking code no obomode ndo hu kokuram na eboa ma na da de ma call mo site wa your baby a 100% back wa krikeso o krikeso abunsi be you na ba code no enyi di fifa bi nka ho utwa 1 Ghana cedi the ram of 50 Ghana na ye di ukra ye do sika be ma odi so a ne obomode na Iska be brinti romu ne amwa ne mandeda di pen farmer di obedi bia terms and conditions ya ne omo apply no omujuma di ne Betway bet your way ne mwa na hye no endeda yi kama so no entimi farmer no echi no ye ka etimi ra chose great must be enterprise ye nka enfan chose akonya na ba ne mu amu yusu Chinese tracks no opel spare parts na ne romu ne mwa ba ne man ko ye pen farmer ho sino tracks no and a Shackman ne de aka ni na no de do ne ma no etimi aba unze ho ne ma no edempa but in the great must be na daroma amana ba be simple Ghana ntu kwa amano ni biem enkokoko fa bi na senete ye engine housing wo ye ho a brake drum no na fi spring sound na se pressure bar obenya bi viba ho headlight no Shackman H3000 headlight no and a tail light no nya no kon any Shackman F3000 headlight no filter sound na fi hop seal no and a wheel bolt no ni na no obenya bi na fi brake bands brake port back brake port front and a oil bath ni na bo modern Edi aba be ramtiko na great must be enterprise mwana sa niema nyina onso onsa entimi enke bi kuma so pena so ame macro seat kwesi pon SHS no number ni 0242 633091 0242 633091 026 404 088 026 404 088 Beku magazine okwa obabo modena spare parts ni na wetimi enyebi onom 055 0550630664 0550630664 na fe sunyane orwani chemo magazine also no GB 0257491211 0257491211 sene ka no na peso ye maintenance no so no obomodi roma maso ye be na ndiaboa na niama adida ye kama pa etimi ediamanti sa pepe ne mu hihye no esi etie makase ne seba industry zebra na eba ne quality herbal product omo a ene dia bigama so bako NS ointment no uye baby girl na stretch marks no won aboy who etenium of maka zo bad yo ozu sisi won no fabina fabi from boze ebeisa how ni nyina etimi if your pimples na ju ni maboso we you abodwe say na we you tin so wan so bi agu ho na ntema propo honam no na ABC basa na afi pampan kakra enso ewo ho ena koku nso na bomodi aju body na boso a ni nyina bomodi nya bebo ama na ho a wo muti ase no ya na de pampan kakra battery ni nyina no obomodi na unya NS ointment na be na yiri fi obema nso no utiwi ni sheda mfunya bina obomodi distress amabon se efu kama pa ebo ama na ma dadie ma baby girls no amfio na se white kakra ama how kakra ama se nka kakra o de pass how de bo a na o de afefa for kakra bon so oni betwa yopo baby be chiche ebe de na aya akono na abo ama sunjia be fie presence sa de no e de ntokwaba awake natural capsules no so de omodi aba ndera mama ene mema nyina nkwabo no ene o nutrient bia e mana hoden mana ko ditia ya wo bia nti ebe hwe na boost immune system no why emre wo mpamu oku sinani anada ya afi so on prostate no ne man de dadi odun so bre wa kono no ate de kwechi a wan ya be wuntem mezaza kono no e wo ze ba na odi ayade na aboa abie wani amu se de nema isi etie babo so me so obu se ka dwendam ya ni dunya na afi wuntimi ndidi a awake natural capsules no e be boa na amawejina na so pa ne omo wuntimi no eye pinfo na afi so no ba o ma para no for na unye numfie dumienu a ontimi mbɔ modern ne nom sa no ni biti fanamba na ka ha ne mbo 0245 079915 0245 079915 0245 079915 na 0276 537 701 0276 537 701 odwani HMO pharmacy ana heba shop bia Ghana ebeboa na onsa komundupa ni binania ma na dadi so etimi ede ama na enhihye no so no etimi adadam Roxy Zebra na yemfa nkonkuru ma amanone okwa kusua ade obo modin akwa kira ade okwa kobobo ne Roxy na teachers no muntie US ye work permit ma be kira ade Canada no nye health workers no ene edimura factory job no baby ti say Australia baby ti say New Zealand Poland baby ti say Turkey Israel yerobeko nyese Albania ye penkofo mama kwa ye adwuma nti mmarwa no obetimi ahwe ogoro bi ba na watete akra na didie mu ne ndayem na dwaye mu a akwenya abase Roxy edo bewura mu Albania no akwakoto aso na ne ma deda ye pa etimi ede amana drivers no so no yesi akwenya aba baby ti say Dubai Qatar Kuwait ena Kazakhstan okona akwaku chika no na abo ama ne ma deda die amana driver ni cleaners na ena afi eba ne security job ni nani so a Bahamas so na akwenya ne do ni nyina ne Roxy ene do ko nyakwaku ram na scholarship ye jiman ko for ram China Canada Belarus ena afi USA ko ekokusia de ticket booking no reservation ni nyina mo ye private jet rentals ebe na ya bo na birth certificate on sensem ene passport no ebe na ya assist na ne ma kwera ma kuma so pomo a asafu VIP station Godi Home Touch no mo osa betimi anti Kumasi number is 0257 776 730 0257 776 730 now for 0557 670 375 0557 607-375 Kaswa Accra Kaswa CPOC Research no Honsu nyom 0244 613 237 0244 613 237 yamwa na ne da din so entimi famanti anche ground so no ye besen ramni akwa kudi nkomo but already ohwe numbers ne sele ne ma nyesie kwa presidential no eno no yeruam ne yakwa yes so no izanze opimpan kono post na munkomo no obomode nyetimi enya 117 na yes na no obomode enya 2 nti sa prepenete man de no Mrs Gifty Owari Mensa ebomode on so no 20 ni nyina akọ yes no edema no na Esco Premier no ena ne Frederick Champonya 11 ena do anu zuhwe ma ene na no do safo enya 10 Randy Abinya 12 Ko James Akwesi apia enya 10 ena enya Eloy Amendi ena fi afei so no Kingsley Ose Bonsu Loziko mo no ko ekokonya anana nti e no na eguso aye to ni sisi a zebe ya latest update aba
on say ekoba say eye Kingsley Ose Bonsu nya 9 ena Eloy Amandi sunya 9 nti na wo say ko run off omumiu ni ye to ni 7 nti omato omoto ne sa kwaye 99
esamba 99 bi
ai nti so mbese ato ombe call for the third time omusa to ne sa kwaye 99 then also mo fix another date.
Wow.
Aye, this so mato. I'm an acquire 99 beam. Tomo send be call for the third time.
Hey, Adion. Ala ko didi la e bia ko didi e say dia di okay. E say dia didi
say say na anu obi won tawantawa. Na akofa asema ba no.
Sompa Sports.
E bia anje ne 9. Edion.
Aye. They say 9 no ma first round off.
This is esa ko na 9 bi ma. Easy 2 in sheda.
On be 2, on be pa another date.
Na fi aba division 1 for.
No ma division 1.
Enti esa prepare nice here.
So man so the gift award there no mu 20 clubs ni.
Omu nyina akoma. And the na esa na be ko. Esa na be ko ni ade a. Ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services eni cancer Dr. Dimo ejuma so ni ejuma pade obobi papa na say na isiete ohwe sere hihye ni ti Dr. Dimo say ba na wodie mu nsensem na oyo bema na obabeduana na so tedua no o ha kakra ho Dr. Dimo na behwe na waboa na say na tie baby girls no wa wodie no wo ha wo ma kwa doc beboa access wa hu bibia ha no no wahwe no waboa so ano de ama na doc bo modern yen hihye ya mfio no omanitwa yopo na se ni siete yeso obema bibia achichia ye da ya kono na hihye na koyi kama so no etimi era ma se how bia wo mfio bia no obedi fio na ye mema no so no ya ye kosi ani ma na ebu ahwe no na fezu kra wadene da fom keja kra ni nyino hwe na wabo ama bibia de era mantine wo kindi mu ha or liver disease, hepatitis, no, ABC, or typhoid, say cancer, one sensem, and I feel stroke, ne diabetes, no, and I would so obre when you ya, a one don't pim no otis or haka crow, musisi ya, and I feel so crano, a chaya ye dunyana, or say dunya, or casanso, or numne a yin cam, about all. Eneko na ni what Dr. Nimubere na waso ano kama pedi ama humu nsem obomo de etimi eso ano iseme ozo nindro no ansa na odebe ma no nyanto boase hwemu ehun se haban we no ode kan ya ye we am ne so ano ntententi doctor de oma woduru akufa hyepa na obomo de na wajwa ya isa enjuma po obo ni nyina achi no or laboratory services or yes scan services ne koso and also machines akukudama ode hwehwe ya ye nimtimu nkomo no enhyehyɛ awa ye ni kuma so pomo atonso mo na ko junction o si radansi we abang no ubenyo omonti no joda bia ekokusi memenda okumase no anoparo na chese no so aboy pa mu edi ewura manwumre no nsia 7:30 am to 6 pm na abomode etimi edise edwuma no krade no emre odido so nkofo hwe eso mo yaye na no edimo mo no enso ye yawoda bia kokusi memenda enso anopa no ye 7:30 am na wabomode awie 6 pm ti akra pomo a circle inside Fotorama omo Ebengor filling station omo na next chemist no enedi anywhere ti fa number na ne omo intimi eni komo 0244 087 687 0244 087 687 afi 0279 087 687 0279 087 687 ombwa na ne amande da din printimi emfa mamuntino ye hwe na ya bomode na ya san ramani akwa kudin komo na abo amane amande da din so ere amana this game park limited in the pick one no yeriaba simple pa ya man numbers no from 1 to 36 uhwem no atwa na kese di kese zanze also no ya de ne woso yie papa na yenko kwesere nima esi etie na simple kra ni nyina na zeze uhwem a number apen no wa yubetimi atwa from 1 Ghana cedi yakwa kura 350 Ghana cedis na de oberwini bia na times 26 ano edin pantini twa no kufu na di kufu ukra mobile phone network bia use be simple *946# star 946# wabo modern watcha na abo manema kuyeda ama no site no www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com na abo de ram de no amuchi draw no premier nsa anopa na 9 o'clock am wi ano 12 and enwumre na 6 pm live on adum Tine o pedwete kesha me pacho e game park o mo games no mo de aba no na ram anyway Algeria tum na afi so no unye nu fie du nwotwe a unya kunya so obo mo de na adon ho etimi eram tie sa pepe na hyehyɛ no esi eti a ye de eram na aboa na ne ma de de ma bozo bra me na mze bibi ade ne kika kona ye ya
well football elections sanity sometimes about surprises because any pound kita undi enyonkofa nuado ade audio bi ayeda ade bo abo bi da edumrewe a football sometimes man no 3 points bi or baby relationship or na order sika na ekwa bebre so edumrewe na nipa no emre so se reciprocated oyema ono so dey as here enti oba aso ya enti ebi kra me ni wedi nkoba say ebia Bishop Bema and now Michael Bema was through chain me because of Nyonkofa Sonkwa.
About the Mamma Sanko Tamalimra na yempe the latest update no University Mount Miami Ashaibu Terry Asaba Manosona Yankona Shaibu Mboyankomakra Yabuna lezi adiama to say fire for me Shasi anyone Shasi and Naya Toa Kwaku Ramu baby what's the latest update bro?
Thank you so much once again for this opportunity. I think we are almost done with the whole process. We are left with lawyer Amande and what's the name? We are into the second round of the executive council. They were tied with the same vote, so they just finished with the second round of voting and of sorting. Is about to start, but other than that, the other processes have completed. And of course, we are waiting to see who will make up the 5th member of the executive council. The process has been very nice because as it expected, the way things are going, I think that was what everybody expected here. Unless of course those who are not in the football world. But currently, we are left with the lawyer Amande who had the same vote with the other candidates, and that's what currently they are sorting out. And any moment from now, who will confirm who will be the 5th person in the executive council member as they are still counting the votes. So as soon as they are done with the counting, I will let you know who will take that final slot in the executive council. But the question people asked was that you didn't see the presence of the electoral commission here. But these are questions that we have to leave it for now because some of the observers who came here were asking questions. They haven't seen any official of the electoral commission conducting the election. Like I indicated yesterday, take a signal that the AC had informed them that they were not going to be able to make it for the election because of the injunctions on it. And so it was important for some of them to find out why they are not here. But aside from that, the other processes we have seen how it has went. And the good news for most of them is that Akwesi Appiah has been elected as the executive council member. And that was what most of the people were very excited about. Because Akwesi Appiah is a very big name person as far as Ghana football is concerned. So the Tamil fans who came here at the Lesson Center were very happy to have seen that James Akwesi Appiah have been elected into the executive council. There were other like Randy Abbey and of course Franka Champon and of course Nana Odosafo, who are known figures in the school. So they have actually retained their positions in the school. And so it's like the announcer is they are about to finish the whole process now, and any moment from now we will be confirming who is placing the Councillor Osbonsu have won the second round of. So Councillor Osbonsu will be the 5th person in the executive council. That has been announced at the election center. So lawyer Amanda unfortunately couldn't make it, and so Councillor Osbonsu has been elected as the 5th member of the executive council. So currently that's what's happening here at the Global Team Hotel in Tamale.
Okay, no ye ni shabu yera na sepati wa ramigi brame ne ko me ze de ne etwen na anya confirm ze logical asan ramu kwa ko ye juma no.
So there na emrane kan say article 30 of GFA statutes 2019 article 30 clause 8 na eno kan decision say so moto abani say na ekoye say nipa mienu abo eye bracketa na was ye team pe e was ye ko 2 more rounds into first round, second round. Now, the second round is so bad. Now, you intimate team, the next elective congress na nke be convene na ya to aba e de eyi nipakura ono be frame amongst we no. So that was the arrangement. So baby ekodru in here say
Sompa
CCA and I see a train for a period that maybe entumi Muama Premier League no omo mu yo makwa esko ni dwumedi omo hwe so mbe no ebebam and ebani saying so lobbying ni na play a part by na do na no ye based on the 2 million nsa and how to me influence vote in your favor. The ones am come a deal ha behind the scenes now baby na ye kika kone no ana so akwa say ora Kingsley say bonsu anenya, because you need people who think like you and people who buy into what you want to do to continue with your administration. Obia ohun say on sheda ne wo enya adwen wo kwan a wo pese wo fa so ye onioma. At times omo a oni omo benti say your room. I always want people who think like me, act like me, and will support what I do. No, sana and I'm mostly in these cases netie, and in this manner, Sompa part of the first administration. Yes. And to say twice, it means a continuation with him. Is something that they will seriously consider at the expense of Obia, Afe no Obim, and somebody who's also well known as Obi on this administration. No. So clearly, a commoner, I am not surprised.
Oh, okay. I don't know whether you watch, but you watch your secretary go to every president.
Yeah.
That's, you see, you might take for TRC national sanity or baby a FIFA or CAF. That's how it works. Near Michael Chichi Musane football circle from a through to from sanity. You want to understand, you're educating for sanity. Now, on say, Oko Spa, gonna assume now, yes, and 99 of course I said Nipa back and lobbying every president who are powerful Nipa back where is I don't know, you switch quickly no matter mono so that you best save you from this stress already. You're prepared to go to America. I think that the evidence so san econo and usha listen so only Kwesi Appiah and Abeka is more like 4 of them apart from Dr. Antonio Binefrim. 4 out of the previous 5 members no still a woman. So they are here because the president Ian Crawford or Giomudi or no more dream boom. Our Mutinasi, what he has here, Nana Motoni Bibia, our Betonofo. So he needs those people to work with. And now Kwesi Appiah is part of the process. Now, Dr. Antonio Biefim, because Kwesi Appiah and the influences that comes with him, a Bemuti, a Senipa Bako should be sacrificed. And can you Kwesi Appiah only per 5 in Yabakobium?
And you want to per 5?
The same 5 years, yes, Bekobium, yeah. So, because of Kwesi Appiah and the fact that Dr. Antonio be sacrificed, and of course there will be a place for Dr. Antonio when it comes to appointment in Yama. Yes, because of Dr. Antonio be a free media, he know what Moses means.
Yeah. Some passports.
Yes. Any Mike Abu Niakosu say how you cry discussions cry akosu cry dada.
Is the amount of division from the Nasha. Also, Penny Pamiensa.
Yes, also Eugene, I'll be surprised by he will go through.
Eugene.
The same path.
Macado,
Eugene, and
Alexander Bibiu.
Yeah.
Alexander Bibiu. 5. I'm here 5 na Gideon.
But I see 3. Alex, I doubt.
Eddie.
I'll see Enimado. Me foresee Eugene, Macado. System abandoned here too. Unless there's still no system, no any man do and reconcile with the system, because all issues with the system come down to the election. So any system now reconcile the system also. Where any system no pay, near cause or premium and no one pay cause why. So I be ambim.
Some passport.
And I was a there only stay believe in the system no there. Who's here? So that is the challenge, but very interesting. Me perceive me who how Alexander Baby will fare. So there's here. Because now the narrative has been that a man for racket or some other racket. Unfortunately, that we don't know how that's going to play out. But for me, near Koso and Neno, Asan Chebibi, sir, clearly, football for the media be amico. Abu Ben Jomundisao. Abu, man, Jomundisa.
Aramida Cram and Jomundida.
Yeah. Look at the numbers there. Present. Nipa 120 in a call.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah.
117 at Tuaba. Emma, or at Ket.
Yeah.
It speaks volume.
Marco Penanto.
And yet the same people no more complaining.
Omoa.
So. Ye pass him swasem. Ye so mine nankasa. So Abu, okay, omokoji $20,000. Ah, me blast him. Say me club premier ni bia me do me kasa me kasa man. Okay. Say omoko ye no. Me bisa bishop wa say omo ko ye no omokoji skana na. Kotoko so omoko ye.
Yeah.
Omokoji. Na nyomwa na omukasa tiafe na na omukana amunya de na so omokoji. And I almost take it all in me.
Yes.
I don't know much on members more. But Pia. Oh, Munim near hypocrite. I hate it. That's what the club is. Men, soon momu chomanga sabu. What is here? And then you express all this positions a club na take in recent time. No, Nyokoswe, Nyomuka Cheno, and Kayhane so mushono.
Oh, that there, Hana.
No, Ahana is all shown because who got team no. I mean what?
Yes.
But they failed to do that. So men club not clubbing from Bishop Michael Menfium. Why it matters most, they fail to live out because that's the way they've always been almost Sansuda.
That what do running no quality to my one casa.
Oh, it's about me.
And I bet my tongue.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we during campaign. The Omaya say once Makado is zone 2. Is the Makotoko. Ababi is zone 1. Eugene.
The baby United.
Yeah. Eugene is zone 3.
Yeah.
Now during campaign, Obia person did call Obidiemo, and some of them are not even popular within their zone, particularly Makado zone 2. To Omo year campaign now, what they do is that on my account on kwane message you about Besanswa say nipa no ne contest no so aka.
But I mean now on that.
Nti abebi no de Omo target and say 1 Oyobia no Omo say 1 conflict of interest, 2 Oyobia osanso tia the regime and the administration about onyinenim, and then 3 oni experience na obeti media ko intimema cluboness no ensure mo delegates o montoma no. I chanced on a conversation. This happened time I'm here am ofie no. I chanced on a conversation BBC cause obi be campaign sir. The person is from zone 3. No be canvassing for votes within zone 2 into obae no. The message you'll be delivered. So the person now be say or before fra na or say yes sanity and say yes sanity. And luckily I was with that person. No, they are the two loudspeaker.
But only me issue kakra me. Apostle. Say division 1 na yebo. You zone 1. You zone 2. You zone 3. Biggie. I know muntu no zone na no. One issue is obetima. The ama me so me raise that concern is say teams no omo reps na aba be jino ma na.
Yeah.
They make can what you but when they betima to awie. Na bia winners they betima kwa di zone back. Okay. Minim say they make can what they make can one nti eno na e ba ne sa oya dey spread it across.
So yeah ne say if
about to mean that I make can one
your can would have fit perfectly if zone be any 1 rep.
Yes. But
we know here is the case or 2 reps from a particular zone.
Yeah.
To get zone now more 2 reps and our 2 candidates no.
You only bring 1.
I hope you get it. And ye BMC no. And the ebe benefit is zone 1. Why the ebe benefit is zone 2 because the same division 1 league.
I agree on that. But I mean so no media say. Say be a be nomination form na. Ebia zone we mu no. Omo mo beba ni zone 1 for. Mo zone 1 for nto omo de. Enyi omo nipa bako. Zone 2 no. Omo mo free zone 2 abe nipa miensa. Mo zone 2 for nto omo de. Enyi omo nipa bako. Zone 3 omo ye 3 a. Mo nto mo de enyi ntia no no za spread here yi na. Obi a won rep oba we see kokoto de bia versus zone 2. Zone 1 di nipa mienu na wo. Eni ma do wo. Ena ayi Alexander Bibi wo. The other zone 3 I think zone also onusu 2 and zone 2 so was
zone 2
or 1 pay or Macado e dia man say dia to aba no Macado anya na bia Eugene any the other way no omo akwa na ato wi na ababio ene enimado arenia clearly it was zone 3 4 no omo nipa bia ni o
really was division 1 no all zones no was not done for political reasons and answer decisions taken benefit
yes
decision be able take at the FA level a ESCO decision no say division 1 it does not benefit one zone at the detriment of the other.
Yes.
Ni na fa division 1 yet tell because of sir akwentu anyway say and ho ben high. But in decision making policy be a better division 1 in Biano. FBA.
But me here to convince
it would have been limited to zones if zones nankasa decided for themselves in terms of policy decisions anyway. But we know decision be a bit take Biano. For the entirety of the division.
Also, Casa don't make it comment. This is a Macado. Abba, but on even popular within.
Yeah.
Mebao. Tibigi. Sompa. I say Ofia or Sompa Sunyane. Was Sompa Kumasi. Or was Sompa Nkranza. Oh, it could be say. You bet my idea will be a fear. Aqua Kusi and a Taiwan no. Oh, Yanina Namunazo Nipa Wefi. Taiwan you know about baby age man. But if you a cobe be not Sunyan Fuaba, and if you crack accreditation, you cry apply. Oh, now you be about ya. O separate my beyond Sunyan 4 DD. We film crowds about need DNA, Kumasu for DNA, we all Taiwan TV and need DNA. Meaning that I make an what I say.
It is because why I any first were operating a different.
But still wait a minute, convinced.
Maybe. Now,
not make it simple.
Remember, David.
So one from Tom, they were simple like that.
Abu can representation, but if you know, and
with the same terror.
Meaning that I make an 1 year.
With the same terror now. For the year way. Sompa Kumase, a media house. Sompa Sunyane, the same media house, under the same umbrella. But
yepe.
So any policy or decision making, no, it would have to be at the unit level. My name's what you say. Sompa Kumase cannot take a decision to affect a staff of Sompa Sunyane.
Yes.
But in the division 1, no, and if a decision is taken at the school level, it affects everybody. All the zones.
I agree on a no. Me agree on a no. But me then says the way more concern. Now so goes to take on all call.
And your concern. And TMBSI who say, the taking decision on the Division 1 league, I don't think they way more. It is to represent the interest of the Division 1.
Yes.
True. Now, if they go there to represent the interest now, decision on Moko taking.
Is it representing Division 1
zone
or is the entire Division 1
league which has 48 teams? Say a zone in 7 year Kokandia and the zonal reps. Minimum what yes, yeah.
Me still hard with the Mickey. And I'm about to blame me there's hard with the
DFA president.
Mickey and how on I'm in Tiasia. Yeah, I'm funny there. I'm also Brum you also had to I still don't understand.
The point is that say it to a buying Crawford board so. Board is the executive council. Board, FA board. And then board and management. First near Chichimu. Yet to Abamanko. So the point is that either say zones, you know, people will pick nomination form to represent them.
Yes.
But all the okay equal representation.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the statute is how we are operating as only provide for that. As we sit now. And at the end also the quality of Nkrofo represent here. For me is about why am I representing Division 1 for. Kwambe fast wa moko executive council ombe advancing niema about Division 1 semba e kwambe no mo fast wa moko issues na after Division 1 kra omo you on top of issues na sa niema no mo di bar at the executive council level how well omo push e ma niema any sema after Division 1 no ombe timia making sure omo push se na be Division 1 no benya faso so for me I think that should be where we should be looking at. That the caliber of people represent Division 1, elected on Division 1, and then how well are timia canvassing for votes. Once BBI can't be was getting council to about also.
Yeah.
Timia influencing decision making there. Timia convincing even other members no. Idea yedi to Java Division 1, idea be boy pa. Mr. Mominuanum, Momwa any to an. For me, I think that a no mobile very appropriate. But representation is very difficult. Because I don't even think when you go to Congress it will be accepted by the same division for because among people they've not even raised that matter or Congress border. So it's a whole problem. Sorry, I say. Now making a point of whether the vice president is not popular. The first time he was not even known. He won the election. This election I said me he's not popular because look, okay, Blue Boy was popular, he lost the election. Massively. Election there is not about how popular you are always. It's about Juma why any omwa omujitum sombetuamo. Sorry, I say. And see, the most important thing is say, you better make sure say about 2 weeks. Like I told you, say I don't see a less win. I foresee Eugene. Say Sami ekoyeni niyema iya. Sami any Mikado. Because Mikado no. A quite fast winning first election. No. Well, fast. Now he has become a vice for 4 years. Our study system no more. And I was with the backing of the president.
Mate, about where Chemesa joining with na yakona yakwako for na Vodafone semen controls and omo abomo de to tie paba. Of the control mo customers in answer obetimi abomo de na Vodafone cash no with the actual electricity bills no a simple cra. Over star 110 hash. Options the bebo afa option 4 wabomodin ako make payment and option 4 no after no oko we ma option e beba no be fa option 1 a pay bill wabomodin na wa krike so option e beba for option 3 utilities wa krike so na fi final option no na ECG wabomodin no you 2 na wetimi akrike so na prompt ne ba wawramu na aboa na ne ma de di imperatimi e di ama no ze yanka ze we ni ECG smart meters no nko a e ne didi sa adwuma no ntia no yantotu ya Vodafone for etimi era banti Vodafone ze e ne obomodin na wallet no wetimi edi twa bills no na aboa na ne ma de di imperatimi era ma drinks ne abienu pe e no ne ma ya hoden sonko a konfo bobo bi ebo esmas yanjibi ne fanko fie enko bobo bi ana se ne te me patro mixer 5G habamba ni nuaba ne abomode etimi edi aye cafe sembi anim grana uma adwena de be nyane no grapes no eye yem ne ma ne ho adwuma na afi jense no nye yi ntini mu kama ebo ama ne makoye pa etimi era mo ana di mizo fruit drinks na ba na organic fruits so orange mango apple melon and afi grapes mwede dia ye na baba di nto na ba dodo na ba be shares masino yenji bibiri fangu fridge no ne enom na beboa manema de di imperatimi era mo pedo na number ni 0246 270-221 0246 270-221 0558 106-348 0558 na yamwa na namanda di mo east no mo ramo ko for you dia kweku ochre company limited 0243 329 414 0243 329 414 Kinju Enterprise in Rome Hotel. So I'm a Kumasi Hayano about more than 0544 483 392 0544 483 392. Manager Daniel, our 21st Canadian overseas, Nobejibi Honum, Mama Esther at Com Royal Ventures, Watra Baptist University, Buakwano, Obomodia PNC Ventures, Sono, Ewanomanji, Texas Station, Nopsi Charity Hospital Junction, Ubenya Binana Sachi Enterprise, Sono, Orwanichi Masafo, Abinchia, also VIP. Park no obobo de na wajibi na aboa nyama nema ko yie pa etibiara bade anche ye ba se ramna division 1 de no yakwa kwese nema esie ko ne de ewura maluta o bibika results na aba ne ade a nim zo wo bibika
abu so far de said ya na ye kan se ya eti akire na ye nya football ni bi no ya adwene ne nko e na omo run football no me football people no omo na akwakoto aba no say you trying the outcome from division 1 year home on very poor more but say no you pen na sembia say empa because one omo na football no omo ye na yakoma yeso ye support omo even say omo na invest in football and omo ye hunu say one the FA president adwuma na wo ye no e so money into omo endorse ket to aso and they say wo hwe esquire pe omo an represent esco the last term no only kwesi apia e na aba na say aboa no odi hu e na wen na ade nti krobia kumasa sante kotoko take it na odi baaye no one aboa no enu ntina na tima kwa yi Dr. Tony Obi na di na free ho because we share nipa 5 na represent Premier League clubs no only Dr. Tony Obi nkwa na is why they were free na James Aba and James enyina nim one se be kasa say Ghana ye general election kra na bia obi a friend sympathy vote ena James Kotiapia nya ye kra ho a ye be fan say bi onya so because of na dwuma obeye as the Black Stars coach ena ma obi a wonya za vote ni enim kro bia kuma sa Asante Kotoko sese nim so pe mo govern club na o ka ho sports nti se o kwa akoye adwuma de ama wo mo nti se ye besre o mo ma bonten emeka bibia nkyere sese ena wo ho a anadwo da ni abefrɛw ena sese untie ena de we na nkakete sipa miensa na emra ha ena se munim no the first time ni de fan se na munim na mo na ya adwuma de nim na wie so ka na nhwe nim anadwo na ya adwuma hu se out of nipa 120 ekoto aba no ba ko anto mienu pe na fi se na adwuma wo ye no answer money 117 aye but I watch guests a eko auditorium wa wodim sa say ebi da me mfe na akoto because after say omuya confirmation by omo boss na bi to na asa e basa mepemempe
ara omo woni age wo mutim
wani age wo tirim a eni kwa say wani age wo tirim sabe yesi mu so da ya we de ka kire obi enti samu na makọ ena makoto ma aba ena wakoto dia ma so masini nko ade open asem the next 4 years your football ye po e ket na be lidie mo na makoto ena mo so na mo di musika eye enti akira mo meka ntawa na ke na di so mo nye sei mo ma tapo kunu je frasare mo na tete because mo didi ena esco no so se nipa na mo ko ye wo new additions bi anko ba mo check omo anom ye old esco members omo esan vaye ena omo ba na mo check say only doctor to obi nkwa na adwuma no nye up to satisfaction ena mo yi na frim na mdi kwesi apia eba enti phone na omo ho ne de na omo adwuma na de so ani enti abasre se ba the Premier League clubs no ene na sefo na omo toto anyina no yenim se na me kan ade bi se say yes administration ba ye no omo bi so club football eye paramount edman even send the national teams no and they so hwa this time round the clubs no call CAF interclub competitions
omo akoyi ejuma
hwa ekoyama group stages omo qualify na sefo enti eno ya ade ba ko ne target na adi a opeso ye onyere no ho na esco no mo intimate trust no mo nye to de me kan say ye be bo ma ba so one nka ye bia nka akwa bi otisima ko seti confusion no okoye woni wo sekre ko ye a esa bae no eno achi bibia ni wa de yesi
na eno no mon confirm ma me Ebrekum Chelsea ala Ebrekum City FC amigi za report na de enye Ebrekum Chelsea
minim Ebrekum City bia
Ebrekum City na nkranza so no ene na change ya Ebrekum City FC no omudin no yeah reporter na e friend Shaibu no e kan si studio as according to ono report Ebrekum City FC say osi Ebrekum Fredia na hu no so no yes sir
say omo whisking away from the hall
Fredia
Fredia
okay
intinipa no ka say we check no say Fredia o ha adwen Fredia o ha adwen
wanya reason biara we always e biza
was reason I minim nkoma course but there was some kind of communication be a trigger and as a provoke sa reaction from him no me in attitude no mo sorry na Fredia betina say so minim omo ba back no nkoma ana asem bi o ka kire no maybe I will see a find it out later but you see
if I chomo hwe me matese se keta tiesi wa odi asabi agina
sa ati omo moditane abia to me be hu why now we no result no still
division 1 say omo aye sort na wie nti afi na omo asase e kan
two things the attendance our congress now
13 votes
when you saying 13 as a
gigi ofusu so ya 29
wow
so far pay almost
Sompa sports bigi ule wa dia da bia say ya be so wa be kobida ba ko jira abato o dia ko fo be ma di wo mtawu ora bo ware
but there's a strategy to winning elections and I mostly say what is our strategy na say and you are on the good team one
obetimare
easy so strategy and then always be on the good team so what can ho a easy the man because sa vote na be ban it say Ghana yeah say me dey call yeah politics elections yeah the party you are on and then the campaign strategy so anti-party ne nkwa no ma obey 40% 50%. Ansa na wo personality ne kwan obefa so aye on you.
Ama bia ka.
Atwin bia ba be ka ho. So
for football elections, trust me.
It's 32.
Oh, Master, TMC. For FA elections, it's more of the president in any team. It's about that. Who campaign cry and count. Because like I said, I Obugunti and then Frank Nelson, I campaign for them. But my most important thing I did was go to Teji and I plead with him. So mommy in Crawford and to Ababa Crawford. I'm the Omokochiano.
I was on my Ghana for Casacra.
And I don't know the Omomunya. So
my Ghana for Casacra.
So I was I was it thank you.
I don't crown him says you are Babili. And I'm Muslim on your Babili 05419319310548931931. Me fobo. I would dear baby Alfrefi.
Junior Cockroach and better things also. Character would have more about some guys here for show. That bedroom, young for Joe, I could not give them a tell them checker in the ponso. Except that you can probably bump the job on the man. Some passport. Where your football? Now, your court or Dana. I get a court, Dale Kangaroo court too. Says, let's do some of the choir. Court to let me now I'm Anka. Now what you come on my culture here. Now say court to head and yes more lose. So it is a football and town here. No one can look and go for here. Remember Ghana football and it's a ball as well. And now we grow the other. But I know you say and you Mexican over there. You know me look for. Yes, he said there no much. I don't find out what the football. Yeah, I am double of Medal.
Table Summit 055193